Okay, it's 11 o'clock at night on Saturday, June 15th, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. This is the new WIKISPEED Electric Motor Module frame. This is the first, I believe, of the bolt-together frames. I don't know whether the boys in New Zealand have done one of these yet or not. So here is what it looks like, and I have a couple of questions. Down here, we've got the three different bolts going across, vertical, and X, Y, and Z directions, which means that the bottom is a little taller than it should be. Not sure if that's intentional or not. And then this hole ended up not being quite straight through, but again, it would have the same problem with a bolt sticking out the bottom, the head of it. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I got the corners locked on the bottom, so all three of the corners at the bottom have bolts going three directions, and two of the corners do. So it's just that it does fit, so I put it in. I'm just not sure if that's going to cause issues, interference with fitting into the car frame. What else do I need to show? So pictures of the measurements is what I was going to do. This gives a good end view. Here we are going across the, this is how it slides into the frame, so it's 39 5/8. At the bottom, unfortunately, it's only 39 1/2, so this one's not quite square. From the top to the bottom, we have, actually I guess that would have to be, make sure the shot can see it. So from the top or from where you're resting on the 4-inch tube to the bottom is 20 inches, plus the height of the bolt, which is what it was designed to be. Okay, so I got to rotate it to give you a length, and that should be the only other thing. Okay, this is the distance, 40 inches on the nose, and on the bottom we have 40 inches as well. So I think that works pretty well, except for the interference with the bolt heads that I'm not quite sure about. I think it was a pretty good first try. 48 holes drilled with this little drill press. Was not fun, and I need to make up some jigs in order to do it again, a little less painfully, but it worked, and it's together. We'll see about building brackets tomorrow.